Hey everyone, and welcome to Julie's Cozy Living. Today I'll take you along on a cozy winter day at home. We will do some cooking, a bit of cleaning, and some slow and simple tasks like watering the houseplants. I'm starting my day slow today with my go-to healthy breakfast, some oatmeal with warm blueberries. I love having something warm for breakfast, especially during the cold winter days. Now that I'm done with having my breakfast, I'm going to clean up the kitchen. I am going to make oxtail soup today. The soup has to simmer for at least 3 to 4 hours on the stove, so that's why I'm starting early. It is a very flavorful soup, perfect for cold winter days, and it is also very rich in collagen. In the past I thought not sure if I'm gonna like oxtail soup, but my mom convinced me to try it and I ended up liking it, so now I make it regularly in the winter. But when I make it, I make sure to make a big pot because it does take a little longer to cook. The ingredients that I'm using for the soup are celery, carrots, onions, garlic, some beef stock cubes, red wine and some herbs. And of course the oxtail, I almost forgot. I will leave the recipe down below for you in case you want to try this recipe. After I've prepared everything, I will make the soup. As you can see, I've just browned the oxtail and then sauteed the vegetables. And now I'm going to add some red wine, some beef stock cubes and of course some water. And then I'm going to put the oxtail back into the pot. Lastly, I'm going to add some herbs and then I'm going to let it simmer on low for 3 to 4 hours. With the soup gently simmering, I'm going to do some vacuuming around the house. I thought now would be a nice moment to introduce my cats to you. You might have seen them in previous videos and you will probably see them more often. So this is Diva. And this is Baylis, but we call her Bailey most of the time. It's lunchtime now, so I'm going to have some sourdough bread with some eggs, cheese and a simple tomato salad. I've enjoyed my lunch and now I'm taking a little time to water my houseplants. I'm also going to do some pruning on this plant and take some cuttings and put it back in the soil to make it a little bit more full. I have turned off the soup for a moment to go for a walk because I think it's important to spend some time outside. And now that I'm back home, it's time for a well-deserved tea moment. I'm having some fresh ginger tea with some lemon and honey. It's almost dinner time now, so now I have to finish the soup. The only thing that I still have to do is remove the meat from the bones. And this is how it looks now that I've removed all of the meat. So I'm going to put it back into the soup and then the soup is ready. This is how the soup looks now that it is done. I love to make a lot of soup during the colder months. I make a different soup every week. If you're like me, you might enjoy some of the other recipes on my channel. I will try to link one in the corner of this video. I'm feeling quite hungry, so I'm going to enjoy it now with some bread. And that's it for this video. I really hope you liked it, and I hope to see you in the next one.